No problem. I'll have one there in a couple of minutes.
Good work.
Hello there!
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 9:05 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Litchfield Park, or near Cashin, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glendale, Surprise, Avondale, Goodyear, Buckeye, El Mirage, Youngtown, Waddell, Cashin, Sun City, Litchfield Park, Palo Verde, Perryville, White Tank Mountain Park, and Luke Air Force Base. This includes the following highways: Arizona Interstate 10 between mile markers 107 and 132. Arizona Route 85 between mile markers 149 and 154. Arizona Route 303 between mile markers 105 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa, Arizona,